What's up, y'all? Been MIA for a little bit, but yeah, it's Tuesday at about 2, and I see you got the bike in the back. And yeah, myself, my nephew, my daughter, and a buddy are heading up to That's right, pretty excited. We're gonna go race amateur day with my brother that lives up there and one of his boys. And then we're gonna stay for the Pro National, obviously, on Saturday. So yeah, pretty stoked. Got the bike all dialed in. I got some new tires. Just need to throw them on when we get there. And then, yeah, just really excited, dude. I haven't raced for probably 2 years. I don't really race that often, and you know, I don't really race these kind of bigger events. Like I'm not an AMA member. I had to become an AMA member to sign up. So yeah, stoked for that. You know, I've done some research. This probably is a little overboard, but I actually looked at last year's results and 2015 results, and I looked at a couple of the guys that, you know, finished maybe 10th or 3rd or whatever, and kind of look to see the signups this year, so I can say, okay, I'm gonna, you know, 2 years ago, number 181, he took 10th, so I'm gonna look for him this time and try to gauge myself. So maybe that's a little too overboard, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to go race. So yeah, I'm just nervous about the start. I'm not a good starter. The couple times I've raced in the last, you know, while, I haven't got good starts, so I probably should practice. I don't ever practice starts, so, you know, hopefully I can get some good starts. But yeah, pretty stoked. We're gonna drive up halfway today to Boise, Idaho, and then the rest of the half tomorrow. So I'm probably just go straight to Washougal and yeah, just set up camp and hang out with everybody. So it should be a good time. All right, we stayed in Boise last night, and yeah, we're gonna continue on the trip today. So got Aves, Coley, got all the bikes and gear and everything in here. We stayed at Josh's buddy's house, Jansen. Thanks for letting us stay. So we're gonna continue on, 6 more hours of driving. All right, made it safe and sound. Let's do this. So just got here, there's a truck, met up with my brother, so he got his trailer, and then he just got this new motorhome, so it's a pretty sweet setup we got going. So yeah, should be a good weekend. Pretty excited. This place is really pretty up here, so the weather's supposed to be really nice too, like 82. Thank you. Not yet. All right, got all dialed. Woo. Got registered for the race, and lo and behold, last race out of 16. So the track's gonna be beat, but that's all right.
Yeah, so, woo-hoo.
So we're just cooking. Oh, nice.
He made me lose my gun.
So we're just grilling up some burgies.
Burgies. And then made me
having a good time. Aves, how's your hot dog?
He lost my gun.
So we still gotta change some tires, but yeah, should be a good night. Getting everything dialed in there.
It's changing, Ben. You walk in on me, bro.
Whatever. Ooh, what are you guys watching?
Hey! You can don't make this on video.
Car days.
I hate this movie.
And Benson back here watching TGL 2009. RV 250 class. He worked him that year. I think that's the year he went to the Motocross the Nations and smoked everybody on a 250F.
That was 2010.
Oh, okay, my mistake.
10 or 11.
Thursday morning, pretty early, about 7, but Josh's practice is number 2, so we're gonna go out and watch him practice real quick. Alright, here goes my buddy Josh, his last moto of the day. He got a hole shot last moto, so hopefully he can do it again. 9:32. I think he got about a 5th place start. Pretty good. Good job, Parker!
Here at Washougal gifting.
Coley, first gate pick. How you feel?
Good.
Nervous? All right, here goes my nephew. Oh, pop up, Coley. You're good, you're good! Well, he's got his work cut out for him, but he can hopefully make some passes. Yeah, Cole! Go, go, go! Got 1 or 2 guys already.
The gates open at 3 o'clock and
got 1 or 2 more kids.
followed by
All right, Josh is done. He did his first moto. Didn't go so well. Obviously, track is pretty muddy. My nephew Cole didn't do so great either. He tipped over, went down like twice. So we're gonna wash my bike, and then I got my moto in like, oh, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. So I'm gonna wash this puppy up. Not too bad, but dude, it is so muddy here. So it took me forever. I didn't want to waste a bunch of water. It'll do good for now, but yeah, pretty nervous for the race. I just hope I keep it on 2 wheels. I'm just gonna go mellow, dude. I'm not gonna try to, you know, go all out. So should be fun though. All right, last moto, number 16. Yeah, this one's good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, do you want to pack it? Sure. You want to? Go ahead, you can do it. Thanks. Gate number 2. So that was good. A little random. But there are, I think, 43 guys in my class. So that should make things interesting. But yeah, I'm going to go hard for a lap or 2 if I can, and then just kind of mellow it out, because Want to keep it safe, and I know I'll get arm pump, but yeah, should be fun. Try to keep it on 2. Come on, baby, good start. Full gate. Dang it, I got passing the BM, but dude, I am so pumped up, and oh, my right hand is tingling so bad. Woo! Pretty fun though. You want to stuff that down your pants? Yeah. How'd you feel? Oh, dude, my right hand is like numb. Really? But yeah, it was fun. Just that stupid tip over, dude. I was in like 6 or something. Really? Yeah, the first lap.
Your start was pretty good.
I'm gonna go back and then I'll walk back and get you. Throttle through there. Single through there from now on. Freaking A, dude! Ah, simple mistake. All my fault, dude. Decent start today, both motos. 31. Oh well. At least I am not hurt, so that's good. So yeah, two tough motos, man. Good starts, pretty good both motos. Hop on and just freaking brain fart in that second one. Just went too far on that jump that I didn't remember was short and went over the berm.
So that gave you even more spots.
I know, dude, unbelievable. Pretty good start, probably about the same as last time. And then a couple dudes went down here and there, a couple dudes went down right before Horsepower Hill, and I was like fourth, feeling pretty good. And then towards the start straight, the amateur start straight, there was like just a roller and I just brain farted and thought it was a little bit longer of a jump. So I landed too far and just went over the berm. Lame, dude. Oh well, I'm not hurt. That's what's like seriously most important, so.
At least I'm consistently crappy. Thank you.
Sweet. Let me see it. It's almost like a magnet. Cool, dude. 6th place. You're the only one that represented from Utah. Okay, go. Ooh, that was close. Just hanging Friday night. All having a good time. These kids are having a blast through the whoops right before the finish line.
They don't want to do it, and I can do it.
Yeah, backflip. Boom. Yeah.
First 11 riders.
All right, we actually came over to PIR.
And I know there's $500
Portland International
on the
Raceway
line
for their Thursday night motocross series. So as you see in the video, my motos didn't really go that well. I got really good starts, like 5th, 6th, 7th place starts out of 40 guys, but tipped over in both motos, so kind of a bummer. But yeah, this place is packed. It's their yearly pro purse, $15,000. So Bowers, Frederick Noren, a couple other guys are here, so should be cool. Stanky on the e-bike, Alta. Van is sick. Got the pro class. Bowers is in first. Wandering around the pro pits Friday night.
before all the madness happens tomorrow.
Tomac, you gotta see Tomac. So crazy.
Archer, you're a natural.
No, I'm not. Oh, I wish you could see Jimmy.
J-Mart, I hope you win today, dude.
Thank you.
Gotta say, oh, last one. Look at that, Abe. So what do you say?
You're welcome.
Thanks, dude. Yeah. RJ, thanks, buddy. Good luck.
Thank you.
I didn't get to
Yeah? Alright, boys. Have a good one today. Have fun.
Leg swag, Bogle. Zacho. Annie. Alright, we're gonna wrap this thing up. Race was today. I got some footage, but not a ton. And yeah, it was good. Had a good time. Thursday's race went alright, as you'll see in the video. My buddy Josh, he did really well. Took 6th, and then went to PIR, and then went back to the track and camp. So all in all, it was a good time. And now we're just ending the trip. Pick your own blueberries. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, whatever you want. Later.